Inaugurating the Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025, the largest mobility expo in India in national capital New Delhi today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that India's journey in the mobility sector would be a transformation one and is all set to witness exponential growth. Prime Minister also emphasized on greener and cleaner mobility technology. DD India's Tapash Bhattacharya gets us more details.
The Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025, India's largest and most anticipated mobility event, kicked off in a grand style as India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated its second edition at Bharat Mandapam in India's national capital, New Delhi, on Friday. This year's theme, Beyond Boundaries, Co-creating future automotive value chain, underscores the power of collaboration, innovation and sustainability to revolutionize the global mobility landscape. PM Modi said that the journey of developed India in the mobility sector is set to be one of unprecedented transformation and is set to witness exponential growth.
भारत की सबसे बड़ी युवा आबादी, मिडिल क्लास का लगातार बढ़ता दायरा, तेजी से होता अर्बनाइजेशन, भारत में बन रहा आधुनिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, मेक इन इंडिया से अफोर्डेबल व्हीकल, ये सारे फैक्टर्स भारत में ऑटो सेक्टर की ग्रोथ को पुश करने वाले हैं, नई ताकत देने वाले हैं.
With a whopping 500,000 visitors expected to make footfall at the event, the expo offers a glimpse into the future of transportation. From electric and hybrid vehicles to cutting-edge connected and autonomous technologies, the event has something for everyone. PM Modi also gave a mantra of 7 C's, which will reshape India's mobility solution.
बीते साल में भारत की ऑटो इंडस्ट्री करीब 12% की ग्रोथ से आगे बढ़ी है. मेक इन इंडिया, मेक फॉर द वर्ल्ड के मंत्र पर चलते हुए अब एक्सपोर्ट भी बढ़ रहा है. इतनी तो दुनिया के कई देशों की पॉपुलेशन नहीं है जितनी हर साल भारत में गाड़ियां बिक रही है. एक साल में करीब 2.5 करोड़ गाड़ियां बिकना, ये दिखाता है कि भारत में डिमांड लगातार कैसे बढ़ रही है.
India now stands as an outstanding destination for every investor looking to shape their future in the mobility sector.
With innovation and sustainability at its core, Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025 sets the stage for a transformative future in mobility. As global and Indian players collaborate, the expo promises to redefine the way we move and connect. With camera person Monty, this is Tapash Bhattacharya for DD India from Delhi.